The world is so beautiful, and we at NANOVIS are a small part of it as well. To combine nature, art, and technology, that was the idea. A talented Swiss artist designed a beautiful spring-themed painting for the Bella, our cleaning system for HP-Indigo machines. That is pure Swissness for me. I wanted even more. I wanted a refreshing Bella drink for our customers. And now our cow Bella will get her place on a beverage can. As you can see, I did not spare any effort, pulled up my sleeves and pitched in myself. Yoo-hoo! Now I'm finished the design of our Bella drink. Don't forget to be smart and clean green with NANOVIS.